Look out, look out, pink elephants on parade. Here they come, hippity-hoppity. They're here and there, pink elephants everywhere.
What'll I do? What'll I do? What an unusual view.
I can stand the sight of worms and look at microscopic germs, but Technicolor pachyderms is really too much for me.
Chase 'em away, chase 'em away. I'm afraid, need your aid, pink elephants on parade.